You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. For more vocabulary in English, more pronunciations, stay tuned. Let's break it down. Coin. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. Coin. It's literally pronounced the way the spelling suggests. You got a co sound and then n. Coin. It's a diphthong sound. There's two slightly different sounds that merge. Coin. 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 Can you pronounce this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments, and remember, coin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.